This video we're going to set up LAMP server for Ubuntu version 21.04. With this I'm going to set up the server with the script that I'm just wrote. So to do that, open up the web browser. We're going to need to download the script first. At the address bar you type in github.com/faroukphuket/ ubuntu_my config and then hit enter. The link will be at the description down below. Now I'm going to click on the code button green color right here, and then I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm open up the terminal. Now I type in git clone and then pass the URL in here, and then I hit enter. So you'll see that because this one is the new machine that I just set up, Ubuntu doesn't have Git. So we have to install that. To install that, you type in sudo apt install git, and I'm going to put the flag -yy at the end. Now put your password in. Now Git is already installed. You press up arrow one time and then press it one more time. You're going to get the last command with the git clone. Now you hit enter. This is going to clone the script into the home folder, and the script is 12 megabyte. Now we already have the script in our home folder right now. So what you're gonna do is you type in ls, you should be able to see ubuntu_my config. Let's type cd in that and then type ls. Now we're going to set up the LAMP server. I'm going to type in LAMP server setup right here. So cd LAMP server and then hit enter. You type in ls again. Now I want you to open up setup.sh. Use the program that you want to use, like text editor. So all of the file with .sh here is the script file that you can open it up and read it with your text editor. Now I'm going to open up setup.sh here. I want you to see the contents inside. Now when you open up this file, you're going to see the first line is the bash command, and it's going to show you some echo that this is going to set up LAMP server for Ubuntu. I want you to comment this line, the line that say will install dbeaver, because if you're not using SQLite and you're not using this program, there will be no reason to install that. In fact, it's going to take a lot of time. So it took me half an hour just only to install this program alone. So I'm going to press I and then I press #sign. So that will be comment this script to prevent from install this program. Now I press escape:\wq, save and quit, and then I hit enter. So what next? Now I'm going to type in // and then set up, and then I hit enter. Now it's going to do thing for me. And this should not take too much time. Right now it's download Firefox. It seems like we have to update Firefox web browser in here. So it's gonna take some time because my internet connections is quite bad. So you might have a problem with the screen lock here. I'm going to set up this screen lock. I don't want this screen lock for now. So let's go setting and click on the power. By default it's going to blank screen in 5 minutes. I don't want that. So let's change that. We should be okay now. From the moment since we first run our script up until now is 22 minutes already. Now I'm going to do some configs right here. So I'm going to press Y and hit enter, and I'm press 0, hit enter. The new password I'm going to set 1234 for now, and now I'm typing 1234 again and hit enter. Estimate strength of the password. Do you wish to continue? I will type yes. Remove anonymous users. I type Y and then Y again and Y again. Reload privileges tables now. I press Y. Anyway, this is not going to be satisfied by MySQL because the password that I just given is not secure. So we may have to config this again. All right, now type in the password again. We're going to set up the phpmyadmin. Now your web browser will pop up a couple tabs. The first tab is the command here that we're going to need to use. And another tab here say hello friend. This one is a website that we just create. And this will be phpmyadmin, but we won't be able to log in by now, because what happened if I log in now, I type in root, and remember the password that we gave is 1234. It's not going to be satisfied. Now I click go, and you'll see that what it says is cannot log in to MySQL server. So that's something that we have to config here. And this is my website actually. Just close it down first. Also close phpmyadmin. Now at the terminal here, you press Ctrl and C to cancel that. And you open up this page right here. Let's run the command here line by line. So sudo mysql, hit enter. You're going to come to this page and type in use mysql with the semicolon outer user, a single quote, in single quote root as, and then single quote localhost space. Identify that with mysql underscore native password by. Inside the single quote, I type in the password and actual password. So this is going to be our password. That's quite simple. Now this is the code that I'm just typing. Now let's hit enter, and then it say query OK, affected, blah blah blah. Now let's type in flush privileges and then hit enter, and then now type in quit just to quit out from here. Now let's do it again. This time let's do mysql -u and then root -p and then hit enter and type in the password that we just set up. Remember that? Just have a look right here. This is the password that we just set up. Now hit enter. It should go to MySQL like this. So if you see this come up, it means you are good to go. Now let's go back into the web browser, open up a new tab, and then you type in phpmyadmin with the colon 9000. Right now you hit enter, it's going to show you the login page. Now you type in root and the password, remember we just said the password is right here. So you feel free to use the password that you want to use. Might want to use this password for this purpose. Now let's click go. It should working right now. And you'll see that now it will take you into phpmyadmin, an actual page. Right now, if you take a look at the button right here, it's going to say the PHP configuration storage is not completely configured. What we're going to do is we're going to click on file Y, and then we click on the create button right here. It actually create link. And now I'm going to click on the home button right here, and you can see now you can use the phpmyadmin right now. So your website, it will be living in the past via www.html lab8.x1 in the public folder right here is this file index.php here. But you can see that I don't have to type in localhost like normal we set up the LAMP server. That because of the Vision host. And you can find this in the past /etc/apache2/sizes available. So you can have a look in there. Or feel free to visit my website if you want to. Alright, that's how I do it. Even it's not 100% automatically doing with this script, but at least I don't have to remember the whole command that is very long. So thanks for watching. I will see you on next video. Goodbye.